shake these off a little bit just to get that plastic off. She looks really good. She looks beautiful. I don't think she's marked. Oh yeah, she is. It's just like a darker pen, darker color. So they might have different color markings for different breeds. Like that other one was really bright blue, and this one's dark blue. Yep, see the candy is not touched, but in a couple days they will eat right through that. Okay. Oh, I need my hive tool here. So I do have to separate a little bit here to get it to fit, because these are pretty tight. She's okay, ladies. She's okay. And just go slow. These frames are really tight because the last hive in here created lots of propolis. So I might just have to have her sit out, and there's all this beeswax built up on there. I'll just leave it up here. They'll use it to make frames. They'll repurpose that. Move on out of there. Just got to get her down far enough to get the lid on. Inner color. There.